Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. We're gonna stain a tabletop. Why are you hiding? So I've got the OG with me today. He's helping me build a console table, a bar top for behind my sofa. That's just creepy. And we're gonna stain a tabletop today. And I don't know if a lot of you have done stain, but I know there have been questions about staining raw wood and all that good stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. I've got some golden oak wood finish from Minwax. And this is not the gel, this is just regular stain. I got gloves because I don't want to stain my fingernails for the next month. You wouldn't care, I know. And I've got a cloth. So that's how I'm gonna stain it. You can get a staining pad, you can use a brush, but this is how he taught me. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna set the camera up so that it sees the tabletop. Huh?
Lemon there?
Well, this is gonna be the bottom, but it's gonna be stained on both sides. Yeah, well, you gotta stain both sides. And then staining a tabletop's not that hard. This is all raw wood, so it doesn't need to be sanded or primed or anything like that, correct? It'll go in.
Might fuzz up a little bit, but
when he says fuzz up, what he means is like sometimes when you put the stain on, the wood will get like, it'll lift up a little bit. But you can take like a scuff pad or something like that before you clear coat and get that off. So you don't need to worry too much about it. But all you do is you take your stain, get it on your rag, and you're gonna start at the corner and just start massaging it in. And you don't want to leave it sit. You're going to wipe it off almost as soon as you put it on. And as you can see, the color is starting to take really well in there. And you want to keep moving, right, Dad? Whoop. See, I dripped that spot. You don't want that drip on there. And keep it even. This looks real pretty, doesn't it? Beautiful. So I got some drips. I'm going to get those drips off there. That's real pretty. This is prettier than I thought it was going to be. I was not sold on the gold or the red oak. This is pretty. It's almost like the gunstock color.
Yeah.
Pretty, pretty. So this is the underside, because we have some blemishes in the wood. The other side's perfect. So this is the underside that I'm working on right now. I'm less concerned about being super perfect on this side, but I still want it done. And we will clear coat this whole thing when we're done. You hold that. You can move the camera if you want, Dad. Dad's gonna become my videographer. See how he does. Super pretty, Dad. Oh, I wasn't sold on this paint, on this color, but it's really nice. My husband picked this color and I wasn't thrilled. I saw somebody coming down the stairs. Anymore. I don't want to hold that. Don't be chintzy with your stain.
Get it on there.
Get it on there. And I think that's going to be good.
Do the edges.
I will do the edges, but I want to get this wiped up. I want to wipe this whole thing down now.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Make it nice and even.
All right, let's let them see it. All right, hand me the camera. I'll show them. And that's really it. I mean, it's as easy as that. So you can see the coat on this was really nice and even. Unfortunately, I've got a tree that's dappling the color a bit, but let me get you close in. It's a nice even stain and you want to wipe it off right away. So you could clear coat this almost immediately. It takes about 8 hours for it to dry on a day like today when we don't have humidity, but if you have a super humid environment, you're gonna wanna leave it overnight. So we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna get you on a small table and put you on time lapse. All right, I'm gonna let this dry now. It's so pretty, guys. And I know the sun is kind of making it look bleached here in places. It's really not. It's just the highlights in the wood. And when the clear coat gets on it, this is gonna be gorgeous. I'll show you. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.